I know this guy, he's crazy for his girl, and he says she's everything, his whole wide world. And I know they got something deep inside, 'cause he's got nothing to hide. And this guy says she laughs away the years, oh, but she cries those every sort of, every kind of tears. And I know it's love, that sweet, sweet love. And you see, 'cause this is what he said to me. Oh, her eyes, they bubble like a sweet champagne. And her lies, they tell me that it's sunny when I know it's gonna rain. And nothing in this world could ever ruin her. The only thing I wish I could change is that I would've met her sooner. Well, this guy says he doesn't even care when those other guys decide to stop and stare. And he said I wouldn't doubt it, that they like what they see. And besides, my girl is staring back at me, and she says that she likes it when he's there. Oh, and he knows she could have had a millionaire. Oh, but it's love, that sweet, sweet love. And you see, 'cause this is what he said to me. Oh, her eyes, they bubble like a sweet champagne. And her lies, they tell me that it's sunny when I know it's gonna rain. And nothing in this world could ever ruin her. The only thing I wish I could change is that I would've met her sooner. You got to hold on, you got to hold out for me, 'cause later's better, it never is all we'd be. We're waiting on, we're waiting on time, time, time. Oh, oh, so will you hold on, will you hold out for me? 'Cause life is better now that you're here with me. We're taking on time, time, time for you and me. 'Cause her eyes, they bubble like a sweet champagne. And her lies, they tell me that it's sunny when I know it's gonna rain. And nothing in this world could ever ruin her. The only thing I wish I could change. Oh, her eyes, they bubble like a sweet champagne. And her lies, they tell me that it's sunny when I know it's gonna rain. And nothing in this world could ever ruin her. The only thing I wish I could change is that I would've met her sooner. Yeah, I would've met her sooner. Oh, oh, yeah, would've met her sooner. Oh, 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 oh.
Oi, amor da mamãe! Tô muito feliz da gente estar comemorando o seu primeiro aninho. Foi um ano maravilhoso. Eu te desejo muita saúde, muitas alegrias na sua vida. Eu vou estar com você em todos os momentos e eu vou continuar fazendo tudo por você. Você é minha prioridade, eu te amo demais, demais, demais. E eu espero que você tenha curtido muito essa festinha linda que a mamãe preparou pra você.
I was sitting in a field of pine trees, coaxing the words from the earth and the dirt. And I sought to muse, but the words just wouldn't come. It's been a while since I saw you at New Year, holding your breath, your eyes upon the second hand. The way you looked is still vivid to me. You're something out of a dream, messing with my head. And I've been looking for you.
Oi, Bibi, tudo bem? Espero que sua festa seja maravilhosa, o pai te ama. Esse primeiro ano foi muito maravilhoso, você é uma filha maravilhosa, incrível, inteligente, o amor da minha vida. Eu te amo, muitas felicidades e parabéns por um aninho de tanta alegria na minha vida.
It took a while for the medicine to sink in, blow out the fog and remove all the cobwebs. Now I'm clear, I can hear myself think straight. I'm on the road with my clothes in a rucksack over my shoulder, following the whispers. People ask me where I'm going in can't escape. Wherever she goes, I'm gonna chase. You're something out of